Hey, what's up, guys? Um, I just want to talk a little bit of my build that I'm doing right now on the Trans Am. I already did some work on it, but I just wanted to make like a recap of what I have done on the car. I'm gonna show you what I have done so far. I wasn't planning on making some videos of it, but I think I'm going to. So I'll probably divide it in, I don't know, like part 1, part 2, part 3. I don't know how many it's gonna take on the build, but so that's the engine bay. I basically repainted it. What was I gonna say? I mean, this was really bad. It had a little bit of rust right here. I worked that out. We put some primer. We used, I think I used like, I think it was like 5 rattle cans. That's what I use. I don't have an air compressor and a spray gun, so I just use those rattle cans, and I'm really happy with the result. It looks really nice. I'll probably post some pictures of, you know, before and after, you know, with the primer, with the base, and then the clear coat. Step it up. Now moving on into the engine. I already took the wire harness, the belt covers, everything out of it. Probably on the next video I'm gonna be working on the I'm gonna paint the transmission. I got a Ws6 intake manifold. I'm gonna paint it red, and then I'm gonna try the hydro drip. I'm gonna try the hydro drip on the intake and on the belt covers. So before I start on the engine, I'm gonna get those things first. On the engine, I got a Texas speed cam going in there. I got the 243 heads for it. The block is really filthy, really greasy. I'm gonna get all this cleaned out. Am I gonna paint the block red? So yeah, I just wanted to go over just a little bit of what I got going on the Trans Am, so you guys can stay tuned. This might be, like, you know, part 1 of the build. Maybe the next videos is gonna be me working on the transmission, painting the intake, the belt covers, and get them hydro drip. So yeah, so I mean, stay tuned. I'm gonna get you know, more videos. My brother got another truck. He got a Silverado. He's gonna do the SS clone in it, so we're gonna make some videos about it. So that's it. I mean, I think it took me probably like 3 days to get the engine bay clean. The transmission, it was really greasy. We got that all cleaned out. It's gonna be ready for paint. So yeah, that's what I got so far. So I mean, I'll see you guys on the next one. Please subscribe to the channel and, you know, comment. I know the videos are not the greatest, but I mean, I'm learning, you know, how to work this on and here. So, you know.